Hey everybody, welcome to Boom City Breaks on Sunday, February the 19th, and tonight we are breaking boom boxes. This is a very own product, and this is a 2-box break. We did random team sales. You can see on the left, we already randomized the teams and the customers. We then alphabetized them so everybody could see who they had a little easier. Then gave them ample time to trade. Again, a little slack, but pop, break that seal. Well, all right, guys, again, it's a team that may not hit all the time, but that is a Blake Bortles. That is a blue Blake Bortles, folks. Just going to show y'all. All right, that is your JSA. All right, folks, but it is, I'm telling you guys, this is a wonderful Nike jersey. All right, it's got the fabric on the shoulders, got all the tags on it, everything. It's got the Jags patch there. Beautiful jersey, swoosh on the Konas. Who gonna get that baby? All right, I take it that's 6. All right, so yeah, that's 6. All right, there you go, bud. That is box 1. Let's see what's in box 2. Again, we let our customers choose between the stack of boxes. But there you go. All right, we're on the box 2, fellas. Pop of the seal. Well, I know some guys in the room would like this. I don't know if they're in the room right now, though. But it's a LSU, folks. That is an LSU Patrick Peterson. That is not an Adrian Peterson. It is a Patrick Peterson. It is an LSU jersey. It is an Arizona hit. Arizona. Who's got Arizona? Stuff with the one-timer. All right, that is going to wrap up our 2-boxer. Here we go, folks.